Hello youngsters. So, guess ko sino kasama natin ngayon? Si Super Mom. Yeah. So may agenda lang tayo today kasi Mother's Day. So, meron kaming road trip date ni Super Mom na may onting surprise tayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayun guys, ito siya, isa sa paborito ng nanay ko. Happy Mother's Day! Love you! So yun na nga guys, meron pa. Meron pa tayo bigay sa mama. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! There's more! There's more! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you na.
Happy Mother's Day! Love you!
Love you na. Thank you.
May last na ibigay tayo sa ko. Happy Mother's Day!
Baby. Oh,
Happy Mother's Day.
grabe naman.
Happy Mother's
Thank
Day!
you po. Thank you po.
Love you.
Love you na.
Flowers ng mga kapatid ko at ako. Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, PJ, Jackie.
Happy? Happy?
Happy.
So guys, that's all for today. Love and peace. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat. Bye!